Hello, my friends. This has been an amazing year, and we are finishing it off with our most wonderful, awesome releases for this month. And I have a feeling you have been just like me, caught up in everything of the season, getting ready for Christmas, wrapping presents, doing this, doing that, doing this, and you might have missed out on one of our releases. Now, we only released this month on the 1st, the 7th, and the 15th. We stopped after the 15th in the Card Kit Club. You know why? Because we're all a little too busy, right? Now, keep in mind, December 31st, ding, 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 release night for the new year. And let me just tell you, this year is gonna be amazing. This is going to be an amazing year. 2026 is going to be amazing at Stamps of Life. Now, let's do a little review of what we did release this month because I don't want you to miss out on anything. And starting that off is our Fold It Club. You cannot get this now. It is long gone. We're on to the next one. But let me show you this one because I am a little sad you probably missed it. Hopefully you did not. Hopefully you signed up. It is our little raccoon. Right? Oh my goodness. We got so many new club signups once everyone saw this one. It is adorable. There are no words for this one. Love it. This is on a banner. It makes a perfect A2 size shaped card. You can put it on a regular card base. It's amazing. If you are not in the Fold It Club, get in now on the next one so you don't miss out. You cannot buy this little critter on my website. You cannot get him anywhere unless you're in the Fold It Club. It's exclusive to the Fold It Club. Then we started out the month, December, with our Club Stamp and Die Hard release. And we released the most adorable, I'm showing you the add-ons also here. We released the most adorable, magical unicorns. And let me just tell you, I think they are so adorable. I love them. There's nothing more magical than unicorns, right? Love unicorns. They're so fun. They're just so, hate to say it, magical. Now, look how cute. But I want you to see the background on this. This is our, oh my goodness, how many times can she say magical? Magical background. Look how cute it is, especially when it's die cut out of that hologram cardstock. Now, here's another fun one Cheryl did of all of our unicorns together. Aren't they adorable? I just love them. Now, if you're in our Card Kit Club, and I have it right here because it is oh so special, why not do a unicorn in an A1 size? Look at that. Do not miss out on our Card Kit Club. There are still a few left of the card kit. Go sign up for it now so you can get this that goes with your cute little stamps and dies. Now, we also released a lot of other fun items. Now, probably one of my favorite is this swish border. This swish border matches, coordinates, goes with a die you probably already have. It's our A2 swish die. Look at how gorgeous that is. So this is a card base that this border goes with perfectly. I designed it on purpose to go with it. So cute. We also released our winter slimline. Now, those of you that are saying, well, what about spring, autumn, and summer? Don't worry, I got you covered. Don't worry, give me time. Then we also released this fun heart pop-up. Are you ready? Get set, here we go. Isn't that adorable? I just love it. 3 hearts pop up. Look how tall that pops up. It's just so adorable. Has optional sides to add extra texture. Love it. Then we released our 5x7 picnic friend Piggy to go with our cute little turtle that I have right up here. Absolutely adore this little guy. So much fun. He comes with the mug. He comes with a piece of cake. I love him. Then we also released a heart arrow fold it. Now, who did this one? Chris knocked my socks off on this one because it's a fold it, but she added it to the rounded gatefold card that almost all of you already have. Go get that card, add any of your fold-its to the front, and look how amazing that is. Isn't that fun? But it also makes a shaped card on its own. We also released, or kind of re-released on these, is our Santa and Tree Christmas clay and also the Christmas candy clay. So make sure you go get those as single bottles because we're all doing all the shakers and we're going to run out, right? Last but not least, we also re-released my Heart Step Up. This is the Step Up card heart version that I made for Sizzix 100 years ago. I own the art, so I've we've re-released it through the Stamps of Life brand, and look at how fun it is. So check your stash on this one. Chances are you don't have it because it was so long ago that I did it, but it's an oldie and a goodie, and I wanted to make sure that you guys could have it if you wanted it. My friends, my friends, my friends, my friends. I need you to do me a favor. I need you to sit down, put your socks on because I'm going to knock them off, buckle your seatbelts because we are in the ride of our lives for 2026. It is going to be an amazing year at Stamps of Life. Not only are we going to bring to you stamps and dies that are amazingly awesome, but we are bringing you card kits, we are bringing you fold-its, we are bringing you new products, we are bringing it to the game this year. So get ready, get set, sign up for at least one club so you will be ready. And don't forget, December 31st, we are going to have a live release. It's going to be so fun. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.